everybody out there in Mathland. I have decided to do a little review video, and that's on multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers, okay? I will be demonstrating two different techniques to do it. The first one is the regular algorithm, which is how most people learn to multiply growing up. And then the next one will be using the distributive method, also known as the box method, all right? So I will start with the regular algorithm. In order to do the regular algorithm, you want to multiply first the number that's in the ones digit by the number on the top. So 3 times 5, that would be 15. My ones digit goes here, my tens digit goes above the next one. Now, I do 3 times 4, which is 12, and I add the digit on the top, so that would be 13. Something to remember, once you're done with that, you need to clear the trash, which means erasing whatever number you regrouped. Then you need a placeholder, a big 0 to go in this column, and the reason is that you are not multiplying by 3 anymore, now you're multiplying by 6. So our first answer is going to go underneath that same column. 6 times 5, that is 30. We carry that 3. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. When we add these two numbers up, which is our next step, we get 5, 3, 8, 2. We count 3 digits in, that's where our comma goes. That is called the regular algorithm, how most people learn to do it. Now I am going to show you how to do that with the distributive method, also known as the window or box method. I'm going to take this 45 and I'm going to split it into its tens and ones, so 40 and 5. I'm going to take the 63, do the same thing. It's tens and it's ones, okay? Now what I need to do is multiply these corners and have them meet in that box, in that quadrant. So I do 40 times 60. The way I think about this, the way it makes it easier, is by looking at the basic fact 4 times 6. That would be 24, and taking these two zeros and putting them at the end, okay? I'm going to fix that one so it doesn't look like a 6. Now I do 5 times 60. Again, basic fact is 5 times 6, which is 30, and I take that 0 and I include it. Then I take a 40 times 3. Basic fact of 4 times 3 is 12, and I add that 0. Then I take my 5 times 3, that is just the basic fact by itself, that's 15. My final step is to add all of these numbers up. So 2,400 plus 300 plus 120 plus 15. Of course, you can add these separately and then add them all at the end, however makes it more comfortable. 0, 0, 0, and 5 make 5. 0, 0, 2, and 1 make 3. 4 and 3 make 7. 7 and 1 make 8. And then 2 plus nothing is 2. So as you can see, both of these answers match. So if you do both methods correctly, they should give you the correct answer. Bye-bye.